Building renovation. Introduction to building renovation. Building renovation refers to the process of improving, updating, or restoring an existing structure to enhance its functionality, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Unlike new construction, renovation works within the constraints of an already built structure, which requires careful planning and assessment. Renovation can range from minor upgrades like painting to major structural changes, such as redesigning layouts or reinforcing foundations. One of the primary reasons for renovation is aging infrastructure. Buildings deteriorate over time due to environmental exposure, material fatigue, and usage. Renovation helps extend the lifespan of a building while ensuring it meets current safety standards. It also allows property owners to adapt buildings to modern needs, such as energy efficiency and smart technology integration. Another key motivation is change of use or functionality. For example, converting a residential house into office space or upgrading an old commercial building to meet new business requirements. Renovation ensures that the building aligns with its intended purpose while maintaining structural integrity. Renovation also plays a crucial role in economic and environmental sustainability. Instead of demolishing and rebuilding, renovation conserves resources, reduces waste, and lowers costs. It supports sustainable development by reusing materials and minimizing environmental impact. There are different types of renovation, including cosmetic renovation, structural renovation, and restoration. Cosmetic renovation focuses on appearance. Structural renovation addresses core building systems, and restoration aims to preserve historical features. A successful renovation project requires collaboration between architects, engineers, contractors, and clients. Each stakeholder contributes expertise to ensure the project is feasible, safe, and cost-effective. Building assessment and inspection. Before any renovation begins, a thorough building assessment is essential. This involves evaluating the current condition of the structure to identify defects, weaknesses, and potential risks. Without proper assessment, renovation can lead to unexpected costs and structural failures. Structural inspection focuses on key elements such as foundations, beams, columns, and slabs. Engineers check for cracks, settlement, corrosion, and load-bearing capacity. These assessments determine whether reinforcement or replacement is necessary. Another important aspect is the evaluation of building services, including electrical systems, plumbing, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Old systems may be inefficient or unsafe, requiring upgrades to meet modern standards. Material assessment is also critical. Over time, materials like concrete, wood, and steel degrade. For instance, steel may corrode, while wood may rot due to moisture exposure. Identifying these issues helps in selecting appropriate repair techniques. Inspection also includes environmental and safety hazards such as mold, asbestos, and poor ventilation. These hazards can affect occupants' health and must be addressed during renovation. Documentation is a key outcome of the assessment phase. Engineers and inspectors prepare detailed reports outlining findings, recommendations, and cost estimates. This documentation guides the entire renovation process. Lastly, modern technology, such as drones, thermal imaging, and 3D scanning, can enhance inspection accuracy. These tools allow professionals to detect hidden defects and create detailed models of the building. Planning and design in renovation. Planning is the backbone of any successful renovation project. It involves defining project goals, scope, budget, and timeline. Without proper planning, projects may face delays, cost overruns, and design inconsistencies. The design phase transforms ideas into practical solutions. Architects develop layouts, drawings, and specifications that align with the client's needs. In renovation, design must consider existing structures, making it more complex than new construction. One major consideration is space optimization. Renovation often aims to improve functionality by reorganizing spaces. For example, combining rooms to create open-plan living areas or adding partitions for privacy. Budgeting is another critical aspect. Renovation costs can vary significantly depending on the extent of work, materials, and labor. A detailed cost estimate helps prevent financial surprises during execution. Permits and approvals are essential before starting renovation work. Local authorities require plans to ensure compliance with building codes, zoning laws, and safety standards. Failure to obtain permits can lead to legal issues. Sustainability is increasingly important in renovation design. Incorporating energy-efficient systems, natural lighting, and eco-friendly materials reduces environmental impact and operational costs. Communication among stakeholders is vital during planning. Regular meetings ensure that everyone is aligned and any issues are addressed early. Renovation techniques and methods. Renovation involves various techniques depending on the condition and requirements of the building. One common method is structural strengthening, which enhances the load-bearing capacity of existing elements. Concrete repair is widely used in renovation. Techniques include crack injection, patch repair, and surface coating. These methods restore the integrity of damaged concrete structures. Steel reinforcement is another important technique. Corroded steel bars can be replaced or supplemented with new reinforcement to improve strength. Protective coatings are applied to prevent future corrosion. Masonry repair involves fixing damaged bricks or blocks. This may include repointing mortar joints, replacing broken units, or applying surface treatments to improve durability. Waterproofing is crucial in renovation projects. It prevents water infiltration, which can cause structural damage and health issues. Common methods include membrane installation and sealant application. Interior renovation techniques focus on finishes such as painting, flooring, and ceiling work. These improvements enhance aesthetics and comfort without altering structural components. Modern renovation also includes smart technology integration, such as automated lighting and security systems, improving convenience and efficiency. Building services upgrades. Upgrading building services is a key part of renovation. Electrical systems often require modernization to handle increased power demand and ensure safety. Plumbing systems may need replacement due to leaks, corrosion, or outdated materials. Modern plumbing improves water efficiency and reduces maintenance issues. HVAC systems are upgraded to enhance indoor comfort and air quality. Energy-efficient systems reduce operational costs and environmental impact. Lighting improvements play a significant role in renovation. LED lighting is commonly used for its energy efficiency and long lifespan. Fire safety systems, including alarms, sprinklers, and emergency exits, must be updated to comply with regulations and protect occupants. Finishing and aesthetics. Finishing is the final stage of renovation and significantly impacts the building's appearance. It includes painting, flooring, and decorative elements. Color selection influences mood and perception of space. Light colors make rooms appear larger, while darker tones create a cozy atmosphere. Flooring options vary from tiles and hardwood to vinyl and carpet. The choice depends on functionality, durability, and design preference. Ceiling design enhances interior aesthetics. Options include gypsum ceilings, suspended ceilings, and decorative finishes. Exterior finishes also play a role in renovation. Facade improvements enhance curb appeal and protect the building from environmental elements. Project management and safety. Effective project management ensures that renovation projects are completed on time and within budget. It involves planning, scheduling, and resource allocation. Safety is a top priority in renovation. Workers must follow safety protocols to prevent accidents and injuries. This includes using protective equipment and proper handling of tools. Risk management identifies potential issues and develops strategies to mitigate them. This reduces delays and unexpected costs. Quality control ensures that all work meets required standards. Regular inspections and testing help maintain high-quality outcomes. Communication is essential for successful project management. Clear coordination among team members ensures smooth execution. Conclusion. Building renovation is a complex but essential process that enhances the value, safety, and functionality of existing structures. It requires careful planning, detailed assessment, and skilled execution. From structural repairs to aesthetic improvements, each stage plays a vital role in achieving a successful outcome. Renovation also contributes to sustainability by reducing waste and conserving resources. As technology advances, modern renovation incorporates smart systems and energy-efficient solutions, making buildings more adaptable to future needs. Overall, mastering renovation requires a combination of technical knowledge, creativity, and project management skills.